In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop shapes on Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva. This can be any project you're currently working on, whether it's a social media graphic, presentation, poster, or something else. Once your design is open, you'll be ready to place an image into a custom shape using Canva's frame feature. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores a wide range of design assets, including lines, graphics, stickers, and most importantly for this tutorial, frames. If you're new to Canva, think of frames as placeholders that automatically crop images into specific shapes. Inside the Elements panel, find and click frames. This section is what allows you to crop an image into something other than the standard rectangle. Instead of manually masking an image, Canva makes the process simple by letting you drop a photo directly into a shape. Once you're in the Frames section, you'll see a Basic Shapes area. If you want to explore all the available options, click See All. This is useful if you're looking for more than just circles or squares. You may find hearts, arches, letters, and other creative frame styles depending on what's available. When you see the shape you want to use, click on it, and Canva will add it to your canvas. Now take your image and drag it onto the frame. As you hover over the shape, you'll notice the frame responds when the image is in the correct position. Once it snaps into the frame, release it. Canva will automatically crop the image to fit inside that shape, which is the key step in the process. If you want to adjust how the image appears inside the shape, double-click the image. This lets you reposition or resize it within the frame. For example, if the subject is slightly off-center, you can drag the image around until it looks right. You can also scale it to show more or less of the photo inside the shape. This gives you more control without changing the actual frame itself. When you're happy with the placement, click outside the frame to finish. That locks in the cropped view and returns you to the normal editing mode. And that's it. That's how to crop shapes on Canva. It's a quick and easy way to make your designs look more polished and visually interesting, especially when you want something more creative than a basic image box.